ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Mighty Grow Nursery's YouTube channel. Today we're going to be finding our roots by learning how to plant onion seedlings. First of all, there are going to be a couple of things you will need. Of course, you'll need your onion seedlings, which you can purchase from us at Mighty Grow Nursery, Vanderbilt Park. You're going to need some compost. You're also going to need bone meal, but that's optional. Bone meal just helps the plants grow faster. So if you're like me, you're impatient, you want to harvest your onions a lot faster, then you're going to need some bone meal, and of course, last but not least, you're going to need water. Our first step in planting our onion seedlings is going to be to make a hole in the ground just slightly bigger than the soil at the bottom of your seedling. And then we're going to take the seedling out of its packet, being careful not to damage any of its roots. Now with onion seedlings, you're going to see that there's a bit of the onion just sticking out just above the soil. When planting your onion, it's very important to keep that part of the onion above the soil. So we're going to plant a little onion, nestle it nicely into his hole, and then we're going to fill up the rest of the hole using some compost. Obviously compost doesn't come in little boxes like this. We're using these. These are called makeshift shovels or recycled shovels that are prop master made. So we're just going to fill the hole, the rest of the hole, with a bit of compost. Fill it up nicely. Then press it in, just make sure that little tip of the onion is just still above, nicely above ground. That's very nice. Then of course, we're just going to give it a bit of water. Just a small bit of water. And then lastly, our bone meal. Just going to take a little bit, not a lot at all, just a pinch between your fingers. Just going to sprinkle it around the hole that you planted in and the compost. And then we're just going to give it one last bit of water, just like that. All of these things you can purchase at Mighty Grow Nursery in Vanderbilt Park. And there you have it, our planted onion seedling. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.